Hey guys, it's Tuesday, February the 13th, day before Valentine's Day. Hope everybody's doing good and having a good week so far in trading. Of course, the only trade I had on yesterday was the Euro New Zealand long, and it's done really good. So it's made the week pretty good so far. I had some messages last night. I think they're from overseas because of the time that it was, and I couldn't answer till this morning, but they were wondering what how I was trading, my strategy. And for those of you who don't know, I don't do day trading, even though there could be a trade during the day. I do what's called swing trading for the longer term, to be able to hold on. Like for this pound dollar, that would have been an entry, that would have been an entry, would have taken off half the position when it moved up into here, and then actually would have been out on this spike down on the news earlier this morning if I had been in that. So it's swing trading. There's not a trade every day, and usually you have to hold like this. This would have been a several day trade before you got stopped out to hold. I don't do 8 to 10 pips. I think that's what they were looking for. You're only going to do stuff like that on 1, 3, 5 minute, 15 minute charts, even 30-minute charts. Been there, done that. I blew 2 accounts doing that. I'll never go back to that again. I've been doing swing trading since 2006 and successfully since 2007. And that's why I'm on here trying to teach people to be able to trade this way, but you do have to have patience, and a lot of people don't. They want fast money, unfortunately. Everybody does, and it just doesn't happen. So that's where the patience comes in, but then you get rewarded for your patience in swing trading. And there is times where you can add to the position, actually, to make it even better. Low risk trades is what I look for, and that's what I had told them. So I'm going to continue doing this live stream, hopefully at some point, if you guys are interested in that, but it doesn't seem to be that you're interested, so that means I don't have to do it if you're not interested. Because it'd be better to do the live stream, that way you can ask questions easily, kind of go over stuff. But I don't like hearing myself talk, so I'd rather have it where there's going to be a bunch of people in there to ask questions. So we'll go through these real quick. This video is being recorded. It will be posted in about 20-30 minutes after I get done. And remember, this is for education purposes only. Only trade with money you can afford to risk. I got that fly that time. And if you're using money where you got to pay for your car payment, the baby's diapers, or your rent or mortgage, then you need to stop trading and just concentrate on that and try to save some money. But in the meantime, you can do a demo account. It's free, doesn't cost anything. You can learn that way. And that's what I would suggest. There's the pound dollar. It's in a sale, big long sale. That is going to get filled in. Not all of it, but most of it at some point. Just right. I would suspect that we're coming down to this yearly pivot to retest it before we go higher. Somewhere down in here. I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity somewhere down in here. If it can take this out right here, then we are going down there. If it doesn't, if it turns around from about where it's at, this could head back up and fill all this in, and that would be a pretty good move. That's on the pound dollar. Aussie dollar, there's another same thing. Anything tied to the dollar collapsed, and it's got a yearly pivot, which is that's actually yearly support right there, which is a pivot. So it could be, we're only 100, just barely over 100 away from that, so we could be heading to that direction, but it could turn around right down in here for a day or two and fill some of this flush down in before it heads lower. So there is a potential buy opportunity on the pound dollar and the Aussie dollar. I don't know if you've seen right here, there was a sell opportunity right there. It spiked up on the news, gave you a chance to get in, and you're going to make good money there, because that would have been your stop, which would have been a low risk trade. I should have seen that. The pound CAD made a pullback down into here. It has made its move up. Has now made a sell signal on the pound CAD. The pound yen has also made a sell signal. And where was that at originally? Let's see. There was the buy from the pound yen. How it runs away, you can't get in, you got to wait for a pullback. There's the pullback, and there's your, for being patient and waiting, there's your reward. So you don't have to take my word for it. You can see all these examples. If you're patient, it ran away, no need to chase it. It's going to come back. Your chance to get in with a lower risk trade, and there's your reward. And you would have been in that for a couple of days, but you had a good reward. The Euro New Zealand, it's the one that I'm still in. I got down over here, got me in at the yearly pivot there at 175.28. Already taken off half the position, was able to do that on that move up, and then started moving when it made this move up. Moved my stop, which originally was from there, moved it to there when I took off half, that break even. And then when it moved up here, I moved it up under here. It pushed up again higher, and I'm now under here. So my second half of position now is going to make more than my first half, and when the trade works, that's what it's supposed to do. So hopefully this can go sideways or even down a little bit, but not down here, and then push higher, and then I can push the second half of my position up higher. The pound New Zealand done the same thing. You had two opportunities to get in with a low risk trade. I don't like getting in both of these. I'll get in one or the other. And the pound New Zealand did the same thing up. It's now got a sell on the 1 hour up there. New Zealand, there was the sell from yesterday, actually Friday. It started on Friday. There was your push up to get in, and now it's going back down and made a lower low on the New Zealand yen. The Euro Aussie, I'm in a sale. I got in it just a few minutes ago up here, risking $8, I believe it was. Yeah, with the spread, $8. So if it goes up and takes out, I'll be out, but I'll only lose a Big Mac combo meal, so no big loss there. Euro CAD, it made a buy this morning off of the news, spiked down, turned around, came up. Now it's made a sell. So there's really nothing to do, because one of these is going to get taken out. So it's trying to come down now, the Euro CAD. The pound Aussie is in a 1 hour sell. We were looking for, where's the next support? I think it's on up. Yeah, it's too far. So that's too far. So I'll be looking to get in a sell on the pound Aussie here. CAD yen is in a 1 hour sell. And the Euro yen is in a 1 hour sell. And the Aussie yen is in a 1 hour sell. Now this is sold off already. I was able to get into this one, and I'm glad that I moved it down, because I put an order in and it would have been up in here, which it would have never got hit. So I said, well, I'm willing to knock 9 or 10 pips off to be able to get in, and it got me there. I've already taken off half the position, and if this can push down and make a lower low than that wick right there, then I'm going to move my stop all the way down to here. And the result of it, as it is, I'm at break even plus a couple dollars I'll make on the second half, and I've already taken off the first half of the position. So I missed a couple of trades and got a couple of trades. Actually, I missed several trades and got a couple of trades, should put it that way. I wished I'd have been in them, but I'm not. So that's all for today. If you got any questions or comments, feel free to go to my video. Underneath the video is the comment section. Put in your comment or question, and I will get back to you as soon as I can, which is usually pretty quick. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We got the oil report tomorrow. I don't think there's any other major news this week. Yeah, there is some news tomorrow. I'm not sure how much it's going to move it. And there is Thursday too, and not sure how much that's going to move either. And then there's none Friday. So I recorded this video to be posted in about 20 minutes. If you would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you do subscribe, and all that does is just tells me that, hey, I'm helping somebody. And that's what it's all about anyway. I'm not trying to get Taylor Swift subscriber numbers. I just want people to be able to know that I'm helping them, and that's one of the ways to be able to show your appreciation is just hitting the like and subscribe button, and that's it. But if you do hit the subscribe button, you also have to hit the click on the notify me button, and YouTube will send you a message notifying you when I have a new video or when I start live streaming again. If I get to, then it will let you know when I'm on live. So we'll see you guys with another video tomorrow.